Good morning and assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope that you all are well and enjoyed your Eid in the best way. Now it's time to come back towards your studies. This is Ms. Farahman and I am here to take your literature class. The topic which we had discussed in the previous class was the birthday present, chapter number 1, that was from page number 9 till 15. Today we were going to discuss the questions of it. But before discussing the questions and their answers, I would just like to give you the review of the chapter. As the time has passed so long, the big gap has been reached, so that just with the review you can revise all of the story, just so you can grab the answers very easily. As the chapter is all about a boy whose name was Omri. What was so interesting about him that it was his birthday, as the name of the chapter mentioned, birthday present, that it was the day of his birthday, and since from the morning he was waiting anxiously for his birthday gift. In the morning when he went to the school, there he met his friend Patrick, and that was the time when he received his first gift of his birthday. But what was that gift that Patrick had given him? It was an old plastic toy of Red Indian man. You can see in the picture, that was the toy that Patrick had gifted him. When he received this gift, he became disappointed at that time. He was feeling sad at that time. But he was not showing his true feelings to his friend, Patrick. He hid his feelings from Patrick just because Patrick could not feel bad, could not feel upset. He could realize that after receiving his gift, Omri became happy. That is why he just hid his real feelings from his friend. However, he managed to pass the whole day in the school. When he came back to the home, mother analyzed that he was quite upset and disappointed. So then how they had spent all the day. At the time of the evening tea, they had celebrated the party of the birthday, and at that time, his siblings and the parents gifted him something. What had they gifted? Mom and dad had gifted him skateboards, and in combination with it, his brother Adil had gifted him helmet that while doing the skating, it could save from an injury or anything else. His brother Gillen had gifted him something that again made him upset. What he had gifted? He had gifted him an old metal cupboard that he had been brought from the old towns, and according to Omri, it felt to him that it is useless. It was useless that he can kept only old toys and the medicines in it and nothing else. So that gift also made him quite disappointed. And again, the mother was continuously noticing the boy that he could not become that much happy at that time. She asked the reason. So he reported that just because he received the gift of old plastic toy from his good friend Patrick, that made him quite disappointed. And the disappointment increased just because of getting that old metal cupboard being gifted to him by his brother Gillen. Then the mother tried to make the boy happy by gifting him the ornate key that sometime being given to his mother by the grandmother of Omri. And it is not an ordinary key. It was the key that had been brought from Florence, and it belonged to the jewelry box of the grandmother. It was having some magical powers that was not being informed by Omri. The mother had gifted him and she suggested Omri to just place your old plastic toy in the cupboard and lock the cupboard with this ornate key. In the morning, you will going to get something interesting. You will going to see something interesting that could make you happy. The boy did the same, and when in the morning he woke up, what he found? He found that this old plastic toy had become a real red Indian man that was jumping and scratching. First he became frightened, but after that he became happy as that red Indian man was having some magical powers as well. That's how the mother could make the boy happy by giving him the magical key. How this red Indian toy became alive? Just because of the magical powers of some of the cupboard and also the magical power of this ornate key. That is all with the overview, the review of this chapter. I hope that the whole story recalls to your mind once again, and it will be helpful for you for grabbing the answers quickly. Now let's open page number 16. There you will find your exercise A questions. Take the pencil into your hand and first of all mark the questions which you will do. You will do question number 1, question number 2, question number 3 and question number 4. Cross question 5 and 6. We will not do these two questions. Right? Okay, let's discuss their answers. Question number 1. How did Omri feel when Patrick gave him his present? When Omri received gift, his first birthday gift from his friend Patrick, what was that? The old plastic toy of Red Indian Man. How he was feeling? He was feeling either happy, he was feeling either sad, he was feeling disappointed, which sort of the feeling? If you understand my lecture, you can grab the answer very quickly. Question number 2. Why do you think Omri hid his real feelings from Patrick? How was the Omri feeling after receiving the gift? He was trying to hide his feelings from the friend. What was the reason? Okay, question number 3. Had you been in Omri's place, how would you have used Patrick's gift? It is simply the open-ended answer. Everybody can write their own answers. You just not need to look towards the lecture or find the answer anywhere in the book. This is totally upon your interpretation. What do you answer? What do you think about it? According to your point, according to your thinking, how would you use the Patrick's gift if somebody would gift you some old plastic toy? Were you going to throw it in the dustbin? Would you going to place it as a showpiece? How would you use it? Okay, you will write your answer along with the reason. The last question is question number 4. Comparing Patrick's gift with Galen's. Whose do you find more thoughtful and why? As both of them have gifted something old. So according to your interpretation, your idea, which one according to you is more useful? And how? You will write your own ideas. Okay? That is all related with our today's class and the exercise. Hope you understand it well, and if still you find any sort of the query, you can ask on our WhatsApp. That is all for today's class. We'll meet you inshallah in the next class. Till then, take care and Allah.